Anchor wireless interlinked smoke alarm system. All the detectors in your house are wireless interlinked with each other. Very easy to set up. To provide you a more effective alert when firing occurs, you will not ignore the notification. EN14604 AS3786 Rohs certified. Anchor wireless interconnected smoke alarm is compatible with wireless heat alarm, CO alarms, vibration, LED siren, remote controller. When detected smoke, all the interconnected smoke alarms will alarm. The alarm will cover the whole house, even though you are in another room. Anchor, always online. Keep your home safe.